laban, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan.
Napakatunog at talaga namang pinag-uusapan ngayon sa mundo ng Philippine boxing ang pagbabalik aksyon ng Batang Halimaw mula sa Pilipinas. Binulabog niya ang super middleweight division gamit ang lakas na parang pinagsamang kanan at kaliwa ni Pacquiao. Dahil bawat suntok may kasamang tulog. Walang iba kundi ang undefeated warrior mula Zamboanga, Mindanao, Yumir Marcial. Isang southpaw, may kartadang 5 panalo, 3 knockouts at dating Olympic at Asian Games medalist na ngayon ay nakabase na sa Amerika at puspusan ang training. Sa bawat laban, unti-unti niyang pinapatunayan na siya ang tinaguriang Canelo Alvarez ng Pilipinas dahil bulagta agad ang mga humaharang sa kanya. Ayon pa sa mga insiders, kung magpo-focus na raw ito sa pro boxing, kayang-kaya ni Marcial ang 20 wins, 20 knockouts, undefeated pa rin. At ngayong Hulyo 11, 2025, kasama si Marcial sa undercard ng pagbabalik ni Manny Pacquiao kontra Mario Barrios sa MGM Grand Garden Arena sa Las Vegas. Ang makakaharap niya, ang matapang na Mexicano na si Alexis Gaitan na may 17 panalo, 6 na knockouts at galing din sa 2 sunod na panalo. Pero bago ang malaking laban na yan, balikan muna natin ang laban na nagpatingkad sa bangis ni Marcial. Kontra sa Thai knockout artist na si Thord Saksinam. Si Sinam, hindi basta-basta, may 24 na panalo at 20 knockouts at galing pa sa 5 sunod na KO wins. Round 1 pa lang, maingat si Marcial. Naglabas ng jabs at pinag-aralan ang estilo ng kalaban.
Tawag natin dito, the homecoming.
See him in live, because most of the fight, the size of Marcial, of course, and look at
That right jab took punches very early in this fight to keep his opponent guessing. But yung amateur record when he was 12 years old, he has compiled 74 wins and 21 losses as an amateur.
alam mo, nung Tokyo Olympics kinito,
You know, we were talking about how Sinam looks like he's 175 pounds. But you take a look at the...
Pagsapit ng round 2, unti-unti nang bumaon ang mga suntok ng Pinoy. Ramdam ng Thai ang lakas, kaya naging maingat ito sa bawat galaw.
He's throwing that left hand a little bit more than in the first round, yung left straight. At pag tinapo niya yung left, parang nararamdaman mo, mas matiin niya yun.
alam mo, I'm sure naman the Thai knows the credentials nitong si...
And now he's up against probably, arguably, the most hardy opponent he's ever faced. The toughest opponent ever.
Marcial began to unschool some of his repertoire. He's picking his location. By the Thai, however, raising the chin.
Hindi malaman ni Sinam kung saan nagagaling ang mga sato. Nice shot!
By the two fighters.
He got blocked. Sinam got blocked.
Sinam felt that power. And now, medyo humiwa ng konti yung depensa ni Sinam.
But Yumir Marcial is taking his time. He's not rushing things.
Discerning.
Oh, in that situation, ordinarily you would attack your opponent and try to finish.
Round 3, dito na uminit ang bakbakan, parehong agresibo, parehong gustong tapusin agad ang laban.
Absolutely what's happening here. That left on the cheek.
At tutulis ang jab ni Yumir Marcial. The right hand is actually through that defense ni Sinam. Dapat kumatakas si Yumir sa katawan. I think that's going to be a very vulnerable spot here for Sinam.
There's a kidney area. hooks. 1-2 on target. 1-2 again on target. Sinam backpedaling there. Less than a minute to go.
That was a shot to the side of the body na hihintay natin.
And another one. And a left hand on the chin of Sinam.
You notice, that left hand, that left hook is going through the defense ni Sinam. After Ymir hits him with the right to the side of the body.
Bumababa yung kamay.
Exactly. To defend the side of the body, bumubuka yung kanyang detensa, and that exposes his face for a left hook ni Ymir Marshall.
Half a minute remaining here in the third. We're scheduled for 8. No championship in this one.
Again, tinutusok-tusok ni Ymir Marshall ang kanyang kalaban. A much higher weight category.
Hindi na malayo yung Olympics na July na ho, di ba?
He weighed 100.
4 months ago.
Yes.
4 months away na yan.
He weighed 165 pounds for this. And in the Olympics, the weight limit is 176.4. That's a lot of weight that he needs to put on. You cannot put on body fat. You can only put on muscle for you to be able to keep.
At sa round 4, dito na gumulantang si Marshall sa buong arena. Mula sa matinding kombinasyon, bagsak si Sinam. Parang tinumbang poste. Tulog agad. Kailangan pang alalayan para makahinga. Ganun kalupit ang lakas ni Marshall. Kaya ngayong malapit na ang laban kontra Gaetan, tanong namin sa inyo, mga idol. Magiging world champion kayo si Marshall? I-komento nyo lang ang opinion nyo sa baba. At banggitin nyo na rin ang inyong lugar para makita natin kung saan umaabot ang suporta para sa ating pambato. Suportahan natin si Marshall kontra Gaetan ngayong Hulyo 19 sa Las Vegas.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.